How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is Capital Gains 500, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys why I think Tesla is not doing so good, it's not doing so hot, why I think it's going to go down. I am bearish on it, just like Michael Burry. He seemed to have doubled down on his puts, and maybe with a really good reason, and today I actually want to bring that out to you. So what you're currently seeing on my screen is my Tesla chart. I'm watching it on the 1 minute, and I switch between 1 minute to 5 minute, and I just scroll down for larger time frames. I'm supposed to add more, you know, like the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, or the daily, just to keep a higher visual of the stock. And that's actually what we're just going to be mainly looking at, is the higher time frame. So what I'm going to do is bring that over. This is on WeBull. It's awesome. So we're just going to have one chart, and we're going to be taking a look at Tesla. And again, okay, all right, actually let's start off with that. Did you guys see that? Have you guys seen today's rally of the S&P 500? Look at that, look at that. You know, I identified a beautiful, let's go on 2 hour. I really like 2 hours. You know, first we had like a megaphone pattern to the downside, a descending megaphone pattern. So once it broke the resistance, obviously that was super bullish. And also I found this zone right here, this zone before this started popping today. As you can see, this is the 20th at the bottom, started popping. So once it broke out of this zone, that was also very bullish. So we had super bullish signals on the S&P 500, you know, descending megaphone pattern to the downside, broke out of it on this blue resistance line, broke out of this zone in my purple highlighted zone, and now it's just crushing all these resistance barriers like nothing. Let's start off with Tesla on the weekly, and let's actually hide all our drawings. Okay, as you guys can see, we're in a beautiful wedge. All right, let's bring back our drawings. So do I really want to delete everything? Not really. They're pretty vital support and resistance for me right now. So as you guys saw, we're in a wedge, so we can draw out the wedge. All right, so a big move is coming. Today we touched resistance yet again, super strong resistance, but we do also have a lot of strong support, right? A lot of strong support. Here's what worries me. These lows were reestablished right here. In market structure, this low isn't lower than this one, so it means we are consolidating very heavily. We are coiling very nicely, obviously, especially if we're in a pennant. If the S&P 500 is breaking out, shooting all the way to all-time highs again, right? It's heading that way, in my opinion. It's really heading that way. But looking at the weekly, you know, this is a bullish candle. It's red, but it's still a bullish candle, because look at that long tail wick. There's a lot of buyers ready to hold up the S&P 500. So if we go back to Tesla, all it's been doing is just trading sideways. So it can go either way. So why today, on a super bullish day for the S&P 500 and also the QQQ, let me show you just how well the QQQ is doing. Also a beautiful candle, right? I believe this is a dragonfly doji. This is a super bullish candle because it wicked all the way down here, found support, and it's being pushed back. And just today, look at that beautiful strength, you know, pushing higher, reestablishing strong support areas again. So we go back to Tesla. This is a bearish candle. Looks like a hammer, an inverted hammer, right? We got the wick on the top, and we got the body forming down. Could it break? Oh, and I also found this little support trend line. Support, and right now we're on it. Let's go to the daily. Yep, we're there. We're chilling. I think today, Fridays are actually very volatile days. You know, a lot of contracts expiring, market makers trying to take as much money as they can from retail. But nonetheless, why do we have such a bearish candle when the indices, the markets are doing so great? That just shows me that Tesla is very weak. All right, so I'm gonna add extended hours at the open. Beautiful pop, beautiful pop. I was trying to get in, I didn't get filled. I know, ridiculous, you know. Anyway, beautiful pop in the first 5 minutes all the way to 692, but immediately within those same 5 minutes got pushed down, formed a little wedge right here, you know, right here, formed a little zone, and the bears won. The bears engulfed this and pushed it down. Did not even find support again here at my crucial support line of 682. It went past it, and now we're just making lower lows, lower lows. And this is on a very bullish day for the markets. So something's up with Tesla. It seems like all people who want to buy Tesla have bought in Tesla. So we need more new buyers. We need more buyers in order for Tesla to go back all the way to 700. And that could be a beautiful catalyst to push it back all the way to 750. And it's going to be a good while before Tesla ever goes back to all-time highs, you know, around 900. Which makes me wonder, why hasn't it? Why has it not? It has had many opportunities. Right here, look, this beautiful consolidation. It broke out nicely, rejected super quickly, and dumped in a matter of 2 days. A movement of over $50 or a total of $63, 8% in just 2 days. You know, it got pushed down much more quickly than it rises. This is concerning. This is very concerning to me. Right now, the only way I'd be bullish is if it can regain right here. The reason why I have purple, white, purple is to identify this crucial area. It's a crucial support and resistance zone. As I told you guys, it touched it today again. It touched it, but it got rejected really fast. Right now, I think Tesla today on Friday, August the 20th, is just going to trade sideways. I don't expect a big movement. I feel like, knowing this, seeing how its price action is acting right now, many people are not going to be super interested in buying it up and taking it back up to 690 today. It's possible, but you know, the volume is decreasing. You know, we would need a news catalyst. I would say a news catalyst would be something that could push it. So that's just how I'm looking at Tesla. Just simple price action. It's coiling heavily. A big movement is going to come. My identification of a big movement right now is anything under 670. Let's draw it out. 670. If we go under 670, I'm going to be pretty bearish, and I wouldn't be surprised to see it go under 660 like in 1 day. In order to be bullish, we just got a retest of these price levels, price zones of 690 to 695. In order for me to be super bullish, I want to see 695 definitely. 695 is the target in order to see higher highs. As you can see here, it also tested it and rejected. So coiling, but those are the prime levels. And right here, I don't want to trade that much Tesla anymore. It's super easy to get burned, super easy to get you know, theta decay or delta, or if it goes against you a couple dollars, delta will really hit you. If it goes your way, congratulations, right? But I want the odds in my favor, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wait. 695 bullish, 670 bearish. Other than that, we are seeing that this zone is just a consolidation zone, and Tesla tends to do whatever the heck it wants to do. Buyers are not really in control, sellers are not really in control. We're trying to find out who's going to be more prevalent in this battle. All right, so actually let me delete this and just keep it simple. All right, there we go. Let me know what you guys thought of it, my comments, my thoughts, my ideas, why I am also pretty much, I would say I'm bearish right now at the moment, like Michael Burry. The reason why, again, I repeat, why are we not pushing higher? Today we should be in this zone, 690 to 695, holding it, holding the line. The indices, SPY, and the QQQ are doing their part. You know, why is Tesla, the actual just stock, the company, not doing it? Well, we're not finding enough buyers to do it. So that's what it's coming down to. Super simple. You know, don't overcomplicate it. If you do, then you go crazy trying to find out reasons why. I don't look at news. All I look at is price action. Now I'm just focusing on this wedge and where does it want to go? Where does price want to go? All right. If you're interested to learn more about this, you know, just hit me up in the comments or on Instagram. Be definitely interested to help you guys out, try to understand the markets a little bit better. Today, like I said, I saw this wedge before. I actually wanted to take the call, but I just didn't get filled. And let me show you how good of a call it was. If we go to Tesla, I was looking at the 680 call, and this chart right here shows me the price action of the call of the option. So I was trying to get filled. I was trying to get filled for like 350. As you can see, it moves super fast. This was super instantaneously, and it ran up within 2 minutes all the way to 795. So like 100% return, over 100% return in 2 minutes. And I was trying to get filled on 2 contracts or 3. I don't remember. Right now I have 5. But right now, no, I don't like it. I was gonna take a call right here again, finding that we had support, finding that the indexes were bullish, SPY and QQQ taking off. I wanted to take a call. So glad I did not. Right here, I wanted to take a call. So glad I did not. Rejected. It's just, Tesla is just being pretty weak. So watch out for that. Watch out for that. Oh, I could have just showed you guys on the bigger chart. But nonetheless, have a great day. Leave your comments down below. Are you a Tesla bull? Are you a Tesla bear? Let me know. And for now, and like today, I just don't trade it that much anymore. I don't even look at it. I like delete, and we'll just recap at the end of the day what kind of price action it left and what can I come out of it. What next plan can I come out with it? Right now, also SPY, big one. Ooh, nice, beautiful. You see, look at this. This is beautiful. I'm over here trying to trade mother effing Tesla, and I could just buy calls and hold them on SPY or the QQQ and be printing money, but no. Of course I need to be looking at Tesla. Of course. Look at that. Look. Simple triangle, simple consolidation zone, breaks to the upside and just runs. Tesla, you mother effer, why can't you do this? Oh, man. All right, nonetheless, let me go cry after uploading this.